As you may know, hearing aids allow for more advanced control of the environmental noise around you. If you're 18 years or older and experiencing mild to moderate hearing loss, you can purchase over-the-counter hearing aids from Best Buy. Let's take a look at the different options we offer. In-the-canal hearing aids, sometimes called completely in the canal or mini in the canal, are molded to fit the size and shape of a person's ear canal. These are the most discreet option currently available and very popular due to their small size. Now, because they're so small, they do have less space for batteries and additional features like directional microphones or Bluetooth streaming. That's the trade-off. In-the-ear hearing aids come in two styles, one that fills most of the bowl-shaped area of your outer ear and one that fills only the lower part. They look very similar to earbuds, which make them a popular choice. Certain models have Bluetooth capabilities allowing for hands-free phone calls and music streaming, while directional microphones make it easier to distinguish where specific sounds are coming from. These hearing aids also feature volume control and typically have longer battery life. Because of their larger size, they're more visible and tend to pick up more noise in certain situations. Behind-the-ear hearing aids have that classic design you're probably most familiar with. A hard plastic case worn behind the ear is connected to a plastic ear mold that fits inside the outer ear. People tend to like this fit because they're easy to use and maintain. They're typically capable of greater sound amplification, but may pick up more wind and background noise. We offer a range of hearing solutions. If you're looking for something specific that we didn't cover, connect with a blue shirt like me, or explore more of our online resources. Hearing loss can affect us in several ways, but there are solutions, and we're here to help navigate the process. Thanks for watching.